you can see that our paddy has grown very well. It has reached almost to the height of 4 feet. And now it is almost ready. You can see that most of the seeds are brown and the top leaf are getting yellow. And at this stage, we can start cutting off this paddy. This will help us to retain the more seed into the harvest. The seeds will not fall out. Plus, when we polish it, it will give the less amount of the broken rice. So we are harvesting at this stage. So we are just harvesting as we have planted one by one. So we are removing this full stem and making these beds. We'll put this paddy 2 to 3 days like this. So once it is dry, then we will harvest the seed with the help of thresher.